guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over coupons to clip now for Dollar General and two $5 challenges, one where we will be getting our items for 62 cents a piece. As always, you want to clip your 5 off of 25, so we'll clip that one. If you do shopping at Dick's Sporting Goods, this is a really good deal to be able to save money on a gift card. Okay, so with this clearance event that we've got coming up, there's always, well, it seems like there's always Raid items, so this would be a pretty good one. And Raid has a tendency to also penny out, so we'll clip that one just to have it on there. The microbands save $1. These are $3. We will clip that one. Okay, this $2.50 Loves, that is an exclusive, so we'll go ahead and clip that one. The Ivory and Old Spice, this coupon here, at our store, they have them for $4 for the Ivory, so it would make it $2 for that. Here we saw, this is an old one, we've got the $4 off of 3 on the Pantene products, and these are working on the trial size, so make sure we have that one. Excuse me, the travel, not the trial. This weekend we have the clearance event, so the Huggies, I know some stores have them in their clearance, so we'll clip that one just in case. The save $1 off of the Cottonelle, we'll clip that. Here we have the $2 off of any one BioFreeze product. I am definitely going to clip this one because this one is offering overage as is. But this weekend I've noticed in several of our stores, they have the little boxes of the to-go, like the little packets of it. So those with the additional 50% off and this $2 coupon, that will definitely be a moneymaker. So I will clip that one. Several of our stores have these Bella, the wet dog food trays. So I'm definitely going to clip that one because they're in the clearance section and those might be a money maker. I'm not checked on prices, but definitely a good one to clip. I'm also going to clip the save $1 on 2 for the General Mills cereal. There is a store coupon that will combine with this. So we'll clip that one. If you're trying to do a game deal, you'll definitely want to get these Febreze melts. Here we're going to clip this $1 off of the Kellogg's because that store coupon works with that one as well. The $2 off of 1 Purex Mountain Breeze, those are $4.50. With that coupon, they're $2. I'm definitely going to grab this $1 off Arm & Hammer. It is working with the scent boosters, or I think they're called the Sensations. So we're going to clip that one because they're $3, and that brings that down to $2 for that, and I definitely need some more of those. Again, for the gain, this Mr. Clean, $2 off of 2. Let's see here. If you do need the finish, I do believe that some accounts have a $1.50 off of 1. So pay attention to that if you're going to clip that for the finish. Listerine. I'm going to clip this one just for the clearance event. I've seen some of the little, the Listerine, these little packs. I'm not sure what they're called here. The Ready tabs, there we go. I've seen some of those in our clearance section, so I'm going to grab that one. This Herbal Essences, the Bio Renew. This one is glitching with the travel size dry shampoo. So it takes 50% off of those, making it 2 for $2, so $1 a piece. Okay, the St. Ives. If you haven't used this new body wash that they have, I really like it. So I'm definitely going to be clipping that one. The CoverGirl $3 off eye product. We'll grab that one. Let's see. They have the deodorant. I think it's $2.35 if I'm not mistaken. I don't typically buy that, but we'll clip that one. That would probably be a good one to add into the scenarios. Let's see. The Dulcolax, those are $5.85 for the ones these are working on. So that makes it $2.85 after the $3 are taken off. A few dog and cat foods. There's quite a bit of pet stuff on here this week. Between this week and last week. The Bic razor, we got that coupon again, so we'll definitely clip that one. Okay, here is right here. Is that $1 off store coupon. And as you can see here, it works with the General Mills and the Kellogg's. So we've got the manufacturer coupons for those. And they are, select varieties are 3 for $6. So when you buy 2, or buy 3, excuse me, you can use the 1 off a 2 coupon, and then you can use this $1 off of the 3 coupon. So you get $2 off, so you can get 4 boxes of the cereal for, 3 boxes of the cereal for $4. And there is, here we go. This one's been going on for a while, but if you haven't stocked up, I definitely would. They're still having the offer with the buy 2, get 1 free. And then there is this store coupon, buy 2, get 1 free for the Prego with the pasta. So it makes, if you get the spaghetti sauce for $2, it actually makes it $2.60 for the 2 sauces and the noodles. So I've definitely been stocking up on those. I'll go ahead and clip that one on here. And that is all that I am going to be clipping for this week. We may get some more in the next day or so. Sometimes they kind of randomly add coupons for us. So let's just real quick go over here and look again to see what all the coupons we got. We've got a couple food deals, the Razor, the Dulcolax, the St. Ives, we've got some pretty good glitches this week working on, well, this week and last week, that are working on some of the travel stuff, a good cereal deal, and make sure you're checking those clearance aisles to see what items you have there, and then come back and double check on your app to see what coupons you have that might attach. Or you can just go through and scan them to make sure as well. Okay, for our first scenario for a $5 challenge, we will pick up one of the $1.75 BioFreeze packs, one of the $1.50 Dial body wash in the travel section. We will get one of the $3.30 Bic Simply Soleil razors. We will get a $3 St. Ives body wash. We will pick up a $6 Skintimate vanilla razor. These are the women's. It is a 4 count. We will get a $2.25 Right Guard deodorant, and our subtotal comes to $17.80 for these items. The total coupons amount to $12.50, and our total before tax is just $5.30 for all of those items. Okay, let's go over scenario 2 for a $5 challenge. First, we'd want to pick up a $4.50 Purex Mountain Breeze, the 75 ounce. There is a $2.50 coupon for this. A $3 Arm & Hammer Sensations. There is a $1 coupon for these. A $1 Folgers 7 count singles instant coffee. There is a $1 coupon for this. A $1.75 BioFreeze pack with a $2 coupon for this. $4.50 for 3 of the Pantene travel size with a $4 coupon. $3.30 for a Bic Simply Soleil razor with a $3 store coupon. And a $1.50 Dial of the body wash, the travel size, with a $1 off coupon. Your subtotal is $19.55. The total amount of coupons is $14. And this makes your total before tax for all of these items just $5.55. I hope you guys enjoyed these deals. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.